So many of us struggle with managing our calendar because we have just so much on it. One of the key features of Outlook is the ability to color code items on your calendar. Say you have maybe you wear multiple hats within your company. You do sales, you also take care of marketing. So you could have a sales color and you could have a marketing color. Or maybe you want a certain color when you have to leave the office. So you need to pad that so that you have time for travel. Different ways you can use it. So let's hop into our calendar here in Outlook. Let's grab this 1 o'clock slot on Saturday. And we'll choose a new appointment. And we'll just put in here that it's a test appointment. There we go. And right here under categorize, we can choose customers, decision makers, family, friends. You see I have some different ones here that I've used over time. And so you would be, let's say we want to make this a customer one. This is a customer focused meeting. And so we want to stand out on our calendar with a different color. So we would say save and close. Now, if we said, you know what? This is not so much focused on a customer. We can recategorize it easily. We can just say, okay, we're going to make it an orange category. And you can actually name the category right there as well, since it does have a default orange category name. It will prompt you to create a different category name. And so again, you can also go into all of your categories. You can create new ones, rename them, delete them, change the color. You can even make shortcut keys so you can quickly go through your calendar and categorize it. So there you go. That's how you categorize colors on appointments in Outlook.